Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Syzerra Learning. Today, we're diving into understanding text and text effects. Now, I know text might seem simple, but trust me, there's a whole world of creativity waiting to be unleashed with just a few clicks. So, let's get started. To apply effects to your text first, select the text you want to modify. Then, click on the Effect option. A new window will appear presenting you with a variety of text effects to choose from. The first text effect is shadow. To use this text effect, simply click on it. When you click on it, a control panel appears from which you can do different settings. You can change the offset, which indicates that the shadow will be closer to the text or wider. You can then modify the direction of your shadow. You can even make your shadow blurrier. You can change the transparency. You can also change the color of the text. Let's proceed to the next effect, lift. This effect just has an intensity slide. You can adjust the intensity to match your text design. Let's move on to the next effect, which is known as hollow. This effect essentially turns your text into an outline. You can change the thickness of your outline. The next text effect is splice, which has multiple settings and is similar to the shadow text effect. You can change the thickness of your text outline. You can change the offset of your text shadow. You can then change the direction of your shadow. You can change the color of your shadow. Then we'll move on to the outline text effect. You can add outline to your text using this text effect. You can customize the thickness of your outline. You have the option to change the color of your outline. The next text effect is echo. There are two shadows in this text effect. You will also get a few options for customizing the text effect. You can change the offset. You can adjust the direction of shadow. From here, you can adjust the color of your shadows. Let's move on to the next text effect, glitch. This text effect is similar to the echo effect. However, it comes in two color combinations, aqua with pink and aqua with red. This text effect is used to give your design some sort of digital distortion. You can also change the offset direction in the text direction. Then the next text effect is neon. This is a very amazing text effect that is highly popular. It looks great with neon colors. You can adjust the intensity of this text effect. Then you can add a background with a text effect. This text effect comes with a wide range of options for customization. You can change the roundness of the text. Then you can change the size of the background. You can change the transparency of the background. You can, of course, change the color. Let us now proceed to the next text effect curve. You can curve your text both up and down. That wraps it up for today's session on understanding text and text effects. I hope you're feeling inspired to elevate your designs with some killer typography. Until next time, happy designing